malayo ang lugar nyo, na hindi na kayo pwede mag-drive, eh nakarating pa kayo. At yung pamilyang Macling na taga-Tacloban, naririto, thank you very much. Ang mga kamag-anak na Mendiola, ang mga kaibigan Domingo, ang mga Gallardo, nandito din, ang mga pamilya namin. Salamat sa pagdating nyo. It's a great pleasure na dito ako nag-birthday. Hindi ako nag-birthday celebrant kahit nung araw. Kahit sa Amerika hindi ako nag-birthday. Pero naisipan ko na umuwi itong taon na to dahil, my gosh, 70 na pala ako. Ang bilis ng panahon. Parang kailan lang na umalis ako ng Pilipinas. I was only 30. Ngayon, 70 na ako. Ang bilis-bilis. Parang nakakatakot. Mukha na ba ako 70? Eh kasi, hindi na kasi ang birthday ko sa May 11 pa. Hindi na yun. May 11 is my birthday. Pero, ginawa namin ngayon dahil yung mga anak ko uuwi na. I want to introduce to you my family na dinala ko dito. This is my sons, Cory and Andrew, and Andrew's daughter Jane, and then this Felix, the twins. Oh, the other one is not here. So, well, salamat sa inyo ng marami. At ako'y natutuwa talaga. Marami kong nakita na mga mukha na hindi ko nakikita ng, my gosh, ilang taon, hindi ko masabi. Okay, magsisimula na tayo kumain. I hope na magustuhan niyo mga pagkain. At ako napapasalamat sa kapatid ko si Ernie. Siya lahat ang may idea nito. Siya lahat ang, kung hindi dahil sa kanya, wala tayong ganitong celebration. So, to my brother Ernie, thank you very much. I love you.
kung tayo ay matanda na, sana'y di tayo magbago. Kailanman nasa man ito ang pangarap ko. Makuha mo ba kaya ako'y hanggang nadiyakapin? Hanggang sa pagtanda natin, matatag lang ako. Ako ba kaya'y ibigin mo? Kahit maputi na ang buhay ko.
You can whisper into my life, take me up on a carpet ride. You can make it in a big balloon, but you better make it soon. You can reach me by caravan, cause I'm dancing like an Arab man. I don't care how we get here, just get here if you can. Thank you.
Ngunit mayroon ka ng ibang minamahal. Kung kaya't ako'y di mo pinapansin. Ngunit gano'n naman, nais kong malaman mo. Ang puso kong ito'y nang sa'yo.
Ngunit ang napag-usapan, bigla na lang nagkahiyaan. Mula noon, hindi na tayo nagpansinan. Bakit ka ba pinabayaan? Mawala ng hindi inaasahan. Parang nasayang lang na wala nang nagawa.
Sena, your birthday is actually May 11, di ba? O medyo advance pa yung birthday mo. Anyway, parating na rin tayo dun sa age na 70. Stay healthy and God bless.
you're enjoying yourself today. It's your birthday. We'll hope to see you again anytime this month before you leave the States. Okay, see you soon. Happy birthday, and I love you.
Wow!
Happy birthday, Tita Sena!
Happy birthday!
Very nice of you!
Happy birthday, Nina. Stay as pretty as you are, like me. Stay healthy.
Happy birthday, Sen!
We love you. Happy birthday, Sana.
Kakatawa mo na to.
Good health and
Ngayon po, ang aming
happy birthday, tsaka Tita Sena. Happy birthday, Tita Sena. Happy birthday.
God bless!
Ay, Sena. Alam mo naman pagka ikaw ang nangimbita, talagang pupunta ako sa... Nasa States ka pa, sinabi mo birthday mo, sinabi mo pupunta ako dahil sa magkaibigan natin matalik na lahat ng lihim, lahat ng kwentuhan natin hanggang ngayon, nasa isip ko pa rin yun, hindi nawawala. Ngayon nandito ako sa birthday mo, nasisihan ako dahil nakita ko lahat ng mga relatives mo, nandito lahat sila. Kaibigan mo, na talagang pumunta sila lahat. Talagang nasisihan ako dahil masaya talaga ng birthday mo na to. Sana, happy birthday. And you may have more birthdays.
In behalf of the whole family, I want to say happy birthday. Chang Sena. We are happy that we are here celebrating your birthday. So, happy birthday.
Hi, how are you, Chancela? Happy birthday. Love more. Thank you. Ready to go here?
Sam, happy birthday. I love you. Happy birthday, Tita Sena. I love you.
Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you!
Happy birthday, Mom! Love you!
Hi, Sena. My love for you. I'm so happy that you celebrate your 70th birthday here in the Philippines. All the De La Cruz family are here, the relatives and friends. We are very, very, very happy. We wish you a good health, a long life, many more to come, and God bless you. Love you, love you, love you.
Hi, Tanzena!
Happy birthday!
Hi, Tita Sena. Happy birthday. This is what a successful birthday party for you. Okay, I love you. Happy birthday again.
Happy birthday to my beautiful, my beloved Ate Sena. So I'm happy that she celebrated her birthday here in the Philippines. And I saw all my niece and nephew. And also the small kids with them. I'm
your
happy to see all.
sister-in-law.
And my sister-in-law is beautiful also, according to her. Anyway, I hope I can see you again once that you go back to Philippines. Jan, I miss you. Thank you.
Regards to John.
Bye-bye.
Happy birthday, Mom. Love you.
Happy birthday!